Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix BookBub login issues, email and preference errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with your BookBub account, don't worry. Let's go through the steps to resolve common email and preference errors. First, ensure you are trying to log in with the correct email address linked to your BookBub account. If you're not sure, check your email for any previous communication from BookBub. Next, confirm that you are entering the correct password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. After resetting your password, try logging in again with your new credentials. If login still fails, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent successful login attempts. If you're using a public Wi-Fi network, consider switching to a more secure connection. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any potential conflicts. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, older versions may not support certain features of the BookBub site. If you are using a mobile device, ensure your app is also updated. If the app is malfunctioning, consider uninstalling and reinstalling it. After reinstalling, try to log in again. If you still encounter issues, check your inbox for any emails from BookBub regarding potential errors in your account. Sometimes, BookBub may send important notifications about your preferences or account status. Ensure that your email settings are configured to receive communications from BookBub. If you're still having trouble, visit the BookBub Help Center for more information. You can find troubleshooting tips that may help resolve your specific issue. If all else fails, contact BookBub support directly for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your issue for quicker resolution. Once you receive support, follow any additional instructions they provide. This should help you regain access to your BookBub account smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.